Families in the independent school district woke up to this email alerting them that an app they use every day had been compromised.
Normally with cyber criminals, it's a phishing expedition to see what information they can gather whenever they break into apps.
The Seesaw app sent an email with a link to inappropriate images. Cybersecurity expert Burton Kelso says while the hackers were sending out unwanted photos, they may have also been taking something.
With accounts and apps like Seesaw, usually you're giving out your email address and you're giving out a password that you've probably used for another online account. And that's all criminals need in order to access your information.
If you use Seesaw, he recommends changing your password and keeping a close eye on your online accounts.
So you want to make sure that you're checking your banking accounts to make sure that there hasn't been any unauthorized access. You want to make sure that you're checking social media accounts.
He says if hackers got your email address, you could be the target of phishing emails in the future.
Hacking has become just almost an everyday event. And the unfortunate thing is because of that, people have become desensitized to cyber crimes.
He says with cybercrime always evolving, you need to stay vigilant.
Read the subject, make sure that it's coming from a legitimate source, and if you don't trust it, just delete the email.
We reached out to Seesaw. They told us that they now believe specific user accounts were targeted here in what's known as a credential stuffing attack. That's when hackers use previously compromised emails and passwords that are publicly available to log into the app. Seesaw temporarily turned off messaging today and reset passwords for all affected users. They also disabled the link to photos that was sent out.